Hello students, this is your English class, so please take out your book number 5 in which you have to open the page number 1616 and 1717, 1818, 1919. These 4 pages we are going to do today in book number 5. Okay, so students, as you all know, we had done the introduction of letter R. We have revised all the things and hope you all have revised at your home that to which words and identify the pictures that start with letter R. So let's start the exercises related to letter R, capital and small both. Okay, first we will do page number 16. After that we will learn the formation of capital R. Okay, so for that you have to mention today's date for both the pages, that is 14, 12, 20 classwork, 14, 12, 20 classwork. Now let's do the page number 1616. Here you have to draw lines to move the threads with the capital R to the big hole. We have to move capital R threads to the big hole, and the ones with small r to the small hole, and those are with small r, they will go in small hole. So let us identify the letter capital R and small r. Capital R will go in big hole and small r will go in small hole. So tell me, which letter is this? It's small r. So small r red will go in small hole, and this is capital R. So capital R red will go in big hole. Now it's capital R or small r? It's capital R. So capital R will go in big hole. Now is it capital R or small r? It is small r. So small r will go in small hole. Now tell me, is it capital R or small r? It is small r. So small r will go in small hole. Now the last one, this is capital R. Capital R will go in big hole in this. Okay students, in the same way you have to complete the page number 1616. Now come to the page number 1717. Here we have to trace the letter R and color the picture. So tell me, which letter is this? This is letter R. And what is the sound of R? R says R. R, rose. R, rose. So let's start. As you can see, the first step is start from the red line to the blue line. We have to make one standing line. So let's complete the first step first. Our first step is done. Now the second step, we have to make a curve from red line to blue line towards left hand side. So let's do it. In this way. After that we have to make one slanting line towards right hand side from this blue line to this blue line. In this way. Okay. Now our letter R is done. Now take out your color box and color the rose red. So here I have taken the color red and color green as well. Okay. Green color will fill in this stem. Okay. And red color we will do in this rose. See, in this way you have to color the rose in a very good coloring. Fine. Now after doing this, we have to trace and write the letter R, capital R. And while writing, we have to speak and write. Name some letters, words that start with letter R. Which letter is this? It's capital R. Which R is this? Capital R. Speak with me. Which letter is this? It's capital R. Which letter we are tracing? we are tracing capital R. Capital R. The formation of capital R is make one standing line, then one curve, then make one slant line. Okay, this is capital R. R, rabbit. R, rose. R, ring. R, rat. R, rectangle. R, rats. R, radish. R, rainbow. R, river. R, raindrop. Okay students, in this way you have to do the page number 17. Now turn the page. Take out the page number 18. Here we are going to learn the formation of small r. Okay, so trace the letter. First of all, we have to trace this letter. Then take the picture whose name starts with R. Then we have to take that picture that is start with letter R. So for writing small r, we required only these two blue lines. So firstly, we have to make one standing line from blue line to blue line in this way. After that, keep a pencil here and go up to the blue line and little bit curve. This is small r. Now tell me, R, rat or R, deer? R, rat. So we will be take in this box. Okay. Now here we are going to do practice of small r. Okay. So we required only these two lines and curve. Make one standing line and curve. Make one standing line and curve. Which letter is this? Small r. Which letter is this? Small r. R, rose. R, rectangle. R, red. R, river. R, rhinoceros. R, rabbit. R, radish. R, rainbow. R, rope. R, raindrop. Okay students, in this way you have to complete all letters small r. Now here we are going to do the page number 19. So in this page you have to look at the pictures. As you can see, roses are drawn over here. One is pink rose, red rose, pink rose, red rose. So let's see the concept. What is the concept of red and pink? Write capital R below the red rose. Okay, so we have to write capital R below the red rose and write small r below the pink rose, and we have to write small r below the pink rose. Fine. So let's do it. Now tell me, which rose is this? Red or pink? It's pink. So we will be write small r. And for red rose, we will be write capital R. For pink rose, we will be write small r. For red rose, we will be write capital R. For pink rose, we will be write small r. And for red rose, we will be write capital R. For pink rose, we will be write small r. For red rose, we will be write capital R. Okay students, in this way you have to complete the page number 18 and 19. These 4 pages you have to do in book number 5, and rest of the work I'll show you in my next video.